Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of BIZTOOls. Welcome to this overview of Business Plus newsletter for the month of December 2024. And first of all, I'd like to take this opportunity of wishing you, the partners, colleagues, professional staff, a very happy Christmas. And I hope 2025 will be a successful year for your firm. This special edition of Business Plus for Christmas 2024 has been prepared on the basis that life is difficult for our SME clients. We've talked about implementing strategies to succeed in 2025. And I've outlined some of the information supplied by the Australian small business and family business entrepreneur, Mr. Bruce Bilson, in one of his recent reports. Every 3 months he issues them. And I was struck by Jerry Harvey's comments in the News Limited media last week about how difficult he believes the next 5 years are going to be. In fact, in 5 years' time, he was really forecasting it to be a very dismal position. I think this places a significant opportunity on accountants to really implement financial and commercial advisory services to our SME clients. Because SME clients are in difficulty at present. Some are going very well, there's no doubt about that, but others are in great difficulties. Pardon me. What can we do to assist them? So in this special edition, we track through 5 key areas that I think you could promote as services for your clients as we look about starting a new calendar year. The 52-week business enhancement system is a great way to really introduce a package of concepts to your clients, whereby you can really supply the virtual CFO service. So we look at the due diligence review, we look at the business plan, and the predictive accounting reports, budgets, cash flows, projected balance sheets, etc. And then we go through what can happen in the business or should happen. The daily reports, very important, I think. The weekly performance and profitability estimates. The big end of town prepare these all the time. It's how they monitor their business performance. I think we should be encouraging more and more of our SMEs to do the same thing. So that if there is a problem, and they determine that by information like sales for the week or gross profit percentage and sales and other things, they can immediately investigate. They're not waiting for another year when their tax returns prepared to be told, geez, your turnover was down a bit or your gross profit percentage dropped. And the monthly financial accounts play a great role in that they're identifying what happened in the month. They're proving that the weekly estimates were correct. They should all be able to be reconciled. And then we move into the monthly financial report. I think you should be preparing this report for your clients as if you were submitting it to a board of directors or a board of advice meeting. And some of you probably will be doing that. Fiscal management improvement will save businesses. There's a lot of problems in fiscal management, and we talk about the article in the Financial Review written in February that was headed Dentist Nightmare, Why Small Business Failures Are Soaring. This was written by Paul Robson, the CEO of MYOB. He commented that MYOB had conducted their own survey with 1,000 of their subscribers, their clients, ranging in employee numbers from 1 to 200. And he found that they had real problems with debtors, with establishing and paying supplier accounts, understanding the need to put money aside to pay the tax office. That's why I've called it fiscal management improvements will save businesses. Setting charge out rates appropriately is important for achieving targeted profit. I think there's a lot of opportunity for you to talk to your tradie clients about determining their charge out rates for them, or working in conjunction with them and taking them through it. As subscribers to ESS BizTools, you've got the charge out rate calculator. And we've summarized some of the key points there. Hopefully your clients will read that and say, gee, if you can do all that, I'll come and talk to you. It's another service for your firm to provide for your clients. Research and development. The commencement of an innovation journey for many businesses. It sure is. But one of my big fears is that a lot of these clients get diverted along the way, and whilst they may have been clients of small, medium-sized accountancy firms previously, because they get feedback that some accountants are not interested or confident to give advice on research and development, they drift off to larger firms or even Big Four or top 100 firms. Now, we've got some top 100 firms as clients, so I'm not having a go at them, but I think you can improve your relationship with clients by being proactive on research and development. Fundraising by SMEs is growing in popularity. This has been driven by early stage innovation company and crowdsourced funding equity raising, which came into play about 8 years ago. But I don't believe, having talked to crowdsourced funding intermediaries, that there's anywhere near the deal flow that there could have been. And I think we as a profession can do a lot more about that. I'll be talking more about that in 2025, really trying to keep the intermediaries very busy with clients going with well-prepared summaries. And that's the problem. I think they're getting a lot of people going to see them or talk to them, and they've got ill-conceived projections. They really haven't talked to an accountant. We can do a lot more as a professional group to lift the standard so that the intermediaries will be able to go out into the market and raise the capital. That's the whole idea. And you will have a new client that's now raised $1 million or $5 million. They'll have greater expectations if they do that. So that's the overview of Business Plus for December 2024. Thank you for being subscribers to ESS BizTools during 2024. Once again, I wish you a very happy and safe Christmas, and I hope that 2025 will be very good for you, your friends, your colleagues, and your families. Stay safe. Goodbye.